opportunities in life to drive a Lamborghini Murcielago.
All the way around the horn.
There's no clutch. Leather smells wonderful. Wow, it's a new car. There's the dashboard. You need a lot of strength to lift the door. It doesn't open hydraulically. You can actually push it up hard. Put this on before the helmet.